friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to discuss about Havana Portable Spa reviews. So friends, Havana Portable Spa reviews are quite relevant and I'm going to tell you that what customers are saying about this product. So I request you all to watch this video till end to know more about the unbiased reviews of Havana Portable Spa. And friends, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe our channel because this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Friends, Havana Portable Spa is gaining lots of popularity in the United States, so let us know about Havana Portable Spa reviews. The cost of the product is $965, and if you don't want to pay the all amount at once, you can make the payment in 4 easy interest-free payments of $241.25, which comes with 30-day money-back guarantee. Sink into summer with a premium inflatable spa. The Victory Spa is fully heated and inflates for easy setup and installation. The Victory Spa comes with 90 surrounding jets and the digital control panel for easy temperature changes. The premium drop stitch lining of the product makes built-in antibacterial spa filtration system. Talking about the shipping and the warranty of the product, the shipping is Australia worldwide, which comes with 12-month warranty. Here is a short video which describes the usage of the product. The design of the product is advanced as these spas offer an effortless water treatment system that combines purified water in addition to providing a unique massage experience, which is a user-friendly control system, and it uses DHS technology to provide the most relaxing experience possible. Talking about the specifications of the product, so the height of the product is 70 cm and the water capacity of the product is 940 liter, and at a time around 3 to 5 people can enjoy in these spas. The inner and outer diameter of the product is 152 cm and 173 cm. See how beautiful it looks. Talking about the reviews, there are lots of positive customer reviews where many verified customers have reviewed the product to be amazing and has given 5 stars. They have said it is worth for value and which comes with very good quality. Talking about the refund policy of the product, so the product can be returned within a 30 days and it can be replaced as well that meet warranty guidelines. So returned items must be in their original packing with all accessories in original, unused and resellable conditions. The cost of shipping plus a 20% restocking fee will be deducted from the customer's paid amount. Refund will be made within 14 days of initiating the refund process with Havana Spas. And they also provide after sales service. You can contact with Havana Spas on their email address provided on the official website. Talking about their payment policy, if you would like to initiate a return, simply write on their email within 30 days to begin the return process, and you can pay with Google Pay, Visa cards, MasterCard, Apple Pay and lot other payment options. So here they have given the option to contact them where phone number is provided along with the email address. So the contacting the customer service of Havana Spas is quite easy and with lot of positive reviews. So friends, that's all about Havana Portable spa reviews, and if you have money related problem, you can get your money back by checking their links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting guys, and please like this video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you guys. Be informed, be safe.